Okay, tell them how to do it, Chase. So what, first you put the mango in, and then what? And then what? Well, they're not stupid. You can just tell them without talking down. You want them to do what? Put the lime zest in? Okay. And now what? Process until smooth? Okay, we'll do that. Mango lime granita, right baby? Right, Chase? And so we poured the puree into the bowl, and now what do we do? Yeah, well, we're going to add the water and the sugar, right? Is there anything else we need to add? Fresh lime juice. Alright, so let's measure those things out, right? Yeah? The do is, once it's all whisked together, to pour it into the pan, right, kiddo? Alright, let's do that. Did you whisk it? Did you whisk it? Yeah, you did. Alright, let's pour it. Here we go. Put the pan in the freezer and let it sit for 30 minutes. Alright, carry it over, Chase. So this is it out of the freezer, right, after the first set. And we need to stir all the crystals out into the center of the pan. Alright, let's do that, kiddo. It looks like when it's done. So now, let's get it into a glass, like that, and eat.